going to talk a little bit about soft links and hard links and how to distinguish them and find them here in this. We have a directory listing with a couple of files. We just actually did the permission stuff in here. I have file 1 and file 2. Now remember that the copy command copied it from a place and to a place. The link command kind of does the same thing, ln. So if I do file 1, and I'll call it file underscore link, I have, when I do an ls minus l, what looks like file 1 and file 1 link. And if I look at them, cat file 1 and cat file link, right, they're both the same. They look the same, but they're actually linked together. And there's a couple of hints for doing that. First off, you see that there's a number 2 here, and there's only a number 1 up here. This number 2 tells us the number of links to that particular file. So, for instance here, file 2 only has one link, but file link and file 1 both have 2. I mean, that doesn't guarantee that those are the same files, but that gives us a clue to it. And also ls minus I. ls minus I gives us the inode number. An inode is the way Linux keeps track of files. So each file is connected to a specific inode number, which is then translated into a spot on the directory. And we can see that the inode numbers are different except for file link and file 1. They have the same inode number. If they have the same inode number, that means that they're physically same on the disk. So if I go and make a change to file link, that change will also happen to file 1. They're the same file. It's just two different names for the same file. So you can have a copy of it without, doing that. Now the other type of link is a symbolic link. That's again the ln command, but we put the -s option in it. And again, it's from 2, so I'll make it file 1, file symlink. And when I do ls, notice that that symlink comes in as a different color, and ls minus l gives us this kind of little arrow deal, and it's got less bytes. This is a link. This is basically the equivalent of a Windows shortcut, saying that this file, if you try and look at this file, like so, I can cat file symlink, and it gives me the same thing because it'll automatically sort of follow that shortcut. So it's kind of the equivalent of a Windows shortcut, and that's what it would be used for. So those are hard links, right? That's just the ln command. Soft links, or symbolic links, ln minus s. And then the option on ls, the -i, to tell us the inode number.